In this video I'm going to show you how to do a simple test on the camshaft position sensors from this Mercedes W177 using just common tools. So if you have a look from the driver's side, you're going to find the intake camshaft sensor here and the exhaust camshaft sensor behind here. This is the connector to it. So I want to unplug the connector first. I want to be able to back probe the sensor while it is connected, so we need to remove this cover. Just pry out these things. Okay, now we get access to the wires. Make sure you don't touch the sensor. Take it out from there. Okay, so as I said, this is a E10, but I'm gonna use a E12 because it's gonna be a little bit in angle. Okay, just wiggle it. Make sure you don't damage it. Here is the part number if you need it. I'm holding it with the clip up. Let's start from the left. We've got the ground, 5 volts and 5 volts. So one of them is going to be the reference wire. Okay. And here we go. The middle wire is going to be the signal wire. And this is what you're going to see on an oscilloscope, the on and off 5 volt signal. And the pattern is going to be made by the wheel, which is attached to the camshaft, placed in a unique way so that the sensor can read this on and off signal according to that unique pattern, and therefore the computer will take that data and calculate what is the position of the cylinders, so it will know exactly when to spray the gasoline and ignite the spark plugs. Now, as usual, let's do the ohms readings. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Between 1 and 2 we've got 2.1 million ohms. Okay, 265,000 ohms between 1 and 3. 2 and 3 we've got nothing. And this makes sense because you basically pull that 5 volts voltage reference to the other pin, so that's how you can get the signal, and you need a huge resistance in there because, for example, 1000 ohms is considered almost like a full continuity. Anyway, these are the values you need to read on a good known sensor. Inspect first the O-ring, obviously. I can tighten it by hand almost all the way. So it's going to be exactly the same procedure on the other sensor. So for the camshaft position sensors we can see this value, and let's compare it with the engine RPM. Here we don't need the engine load because we don't care how much the engine is consuming, we care about the timing. But when I increase the engine speed, it goes to negative -17 there. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. And as always, take care and have a nice day.